Will Bitcoin follow the current gold rally and break that $150,000 mark in 2025? Investors are uncertain, but there is some compelling historical data that gives hope. Stay tuned to find out everything, and let's dive right in. Welcome to Inside Bitcoins, your go-to channel for the most important news and analysis and insights from the crypto world. Today we're taking a look at Bitcoin, gold, and the question of whether a new rally could just be around the corner. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Let's take a look at the markets. Bitcoin has experienced a roller coaster in recent weeks. After hitting an all-time high of over $109,000, the price dropped to just $75,000. The reason? Massive uncertainty in the financial markets, triggered by Donald Trump's rigid tariff policy. Trump plans to impose tariffs on 185 economies, and some are already in effect. Investors now fearing rising prices, higher inflation, and even a possible recession. While Trump has somewhat diffused the situation by introducing a 90-day tariff pause and room for negotiation, the market remains unsettled since this break is only temporary. The uncertainty has not only affected Bitcoin, but has also weighed on the entire financial system. Interestingly, there is one clear winner in all of this: gold. After briefly dipping below $3,000 per ounce, the precious metal has rallied sharply and is now trading at a new all-time high of $3,340. Gold is historically considered a safe haven in uncertain times and a hedge against inflation and the devaluation of fiat currencies. But what does this mean for Bitcoin? Well, here's where it gets interesting. According to Cointelegraph, Bitcoin has historically been closely correlated with the price of gold. In most cases where gold hits a new all-time high, Bitcoin follows with a rally, typically within the next 150 days. This isn't just coincidence. After all, Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold and is meant to serve as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. This current gold rally could therefore be a leading indicator for a Bitcoin recovery. Many analysts are optimistic and see Bitcoin soon heading upward again, especially since additional positive factors are coming into play. The new U.S. administration under Trump is considered crypto-friendly. Trump has even floated the idea of creating a national Bitcoin reserve. Such developments could boost investor confidence and funnel more capital into Bitcoin. There's also a growing concern about the devaluation of fiat currencies like the US dollar or the Chinese yuan. If the global economy slides into crisis, investors may increasingly turn to Bitcoin to protect their wealth. But will that be enough to break the $150,000 mark? Let's look at the other bullish factors. In addition to the gold correlation and more crypto-friendly policies in the US, there are other drivers at play. The 2024 Bitcoin halving has reduced supply, which could support long-term prices. Institutional investors like MicroStrategy continue to hold large amounts of Bitcoin, and global adoption is steadily growing. But risks remain. Uncertainty about Trump's tariff policies could dampen investor risk appetite. As tariffs go back into effect after the 90-day pause, stock markets and indices like the S&P 500 could take another hit, dragging Bitcoin down with them. A global economic crash is still a possibility that cannot be ruled out. Despite these risks, many experts see Bitcoin heading for new heights. If a rally does come, we might not only see $150,000 to $250,000 is also in the realm of possibility. And that's where projects come in that aim to benefit from such a Bitcoin boom. One such project is Bitcoin Bull, featuring the cryptocurrency BTC Bull. It gives investors the chance to indirectly bet on a Bitcoin price surge. What's special, there's an airdrop mechanism linked to Bitcoin's performance. If Bitcoin hits $150,000, BTC Bull holders receive a Bitcoin airdrop. Additional airdrops follow with every $50,000 increase. Currently, investors can still join the pre-sale at a fixed price of 0.00247 per BTC Bull before the first official exchange listing. In the past few weeks alone, nearly $5 million have been raised from interested investors who see this as a chance to fully capitalize on a Bitcoin rally. Naturally, as with any pre-sale, there's also risks involved. Anyone who wants to learn more should check out the official Bitcoin Bull site. To sum up, despite a volatile market environment, there are several indicators, like the recent gold boom, pointing to a potential Bitcoin rally in 2025. Whether Bitcoin will actually hit the $150,000 mark that year remains uncertain for now. What do you think? Will Bitcoin reach $150,000 in 2025, or are more corrections ahead? Let us know in your comments. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to Inside Bitcoins, and turn on notifications. With that, see you next time. And as always, stay bullish.